In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your comment notifications in WordPress. Whether you're managing a bustling blog or a personal site, staying on top of your comments is crucial for engaging with your audience and maintaining a responsive online presence. So let's dive right into it. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to wordpress.com. You'll probably find yourself on the home page, which is beautifully designed, featuring bright call to action buttons. You'll want to look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed. If you're already familiar with WordPress, the login page will be as expected, clean and straightforward. Once you're on the login page, you'll see several options to access your account. For simplicity and security, I recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This option expedites the login process if you have your Google account linked, plus it minimizes the hassle of entering passwords, which we all can appreciate. After selecting Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. If you have multiple accounts, a list will appear. Just click on the one associated with your WordPress site. If you're already signed into your Google account, this step might be automatically completed for you, leading you directly to your WordPress dashboard. Now, with access to your dashboard, direct your gaze to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll notice a notification bell icon. This is a hub for all alerts, including those for comments. Click on the bell to open a drop-down menu. This menu gives you a quick overview of recent activity on your account, with comments being one of the primary notifications displayed. To focus specifically on comments, click on the comments option in this drop-down. This will take you to a dedicated comments section where you can see all interactions involving site visitors. You can view new comments awaiting moderation, and also respond to or manage existing ones. It's an excellent way to engage with your audience directly and maintain lively discussions on your posts. That wraps up our quick tutorial on checking comment notifications in WordPress. Remember, keeping up with your website's comments not only helps you understand your audience better, but also encourages visitor engagement by showing them you're active and listening. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments section below. Happy blogging!